Hi Wendy, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses all around Tampa to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of things that they could start doing today to impact their business has resulted in some of those companies and those business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their business. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help improve your business, shoot me a message back and we'll set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free advice that I give you and do it all yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me get into 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to do is go over the content. So that's the number one thing that will help you with ranking up in Google very quickly. So as I can see, we scroll through here and there's some stuff on the page, but I went ahead and I ran yours page in SEO Quake, and it shows me that there's a total of 596 words on your page. This is your number one competitor when I type in brick pavers Tampa, and it is Tampa Standard Brick Pavers. This is their website. Also, not very much content on the front page. Actually, when I ran them, they were less at 332. So although content is a very easy way to running up on Google, it's not the number one way or the best way to run up. It's just a quick and easy way to get your ranking up. So that leads me into my second point, which is keywords. So keywords are basically whatever you type into Google, it'll look for those keywords on websites. So if I type in pavers, brick, standard, paving, setting these keywords, they will rank the website based on how many times that's mentioned on their website and how it is mentioned as far as the content, on if it will rank in the top 1 to hundreds of searches and results on Google. So having good keywords is very important, because when we look on Google, the first thing you see is ads, and ads are only semi-effective based on studies, and they can definitely become a money pit. So what you want to do is get on the top of that organic listing, the sites right under the ads, and one way to do that is through content and then keywords. Lastly, what I want to talk about is I took your website and I plugged it into a tool called Ahrefs to look at your backlinks. So what backlinks are is link juice from one website to another. So it's like another website referring you to your website. So for example, let's say there's a website called Brick Pavers of America, and on their website they link to you over at Sun Pavers. Then it would give you some of their link juice if they did a specific link. So we look here and you have 814 backlinks, whereas your competition has 55. So you're probably wondering, how are they above me? Well, I did a deeper dive into this, and a lot of your backlinks are what Google and Ahrefs have identified as spammy backlinks, or backlinks that are just put on random websites to try and improve your position. And so Google has gotten smart over the years on this happening. So what they've done is they've looked into where the content's coming from, where the backlinks are coming from, and if they're coming from these spammy sites and such, then they will actually lower your ranking. As you can see, you're only pulling a DR of 1.9 and your competition's pulling one of 8, so that's why they're ranked up towards the top. So the importance of this would be to go through all your backlinks and remove those spammy backlinks and get new ones, better ones, and improve upon that to beat out your competition. So let's really recap, look at the 3 things that we talked about today. First, we talked about content and how important content is. Not only do you want to have at least 1,500 words on the homepage, but you want to have those strong keywords that for when people type them into Google, your site populates. So that's the first and second thing we talked about with content and keywords. Thirdly, we talked about link juice and how important not only having more backlinks, but having those stronger backlinks and those more trustworthy backlinks from other sites to get that link juice. Now, if you implement these strategies that I just discussed today, you could easily be number 1 across Google and raking in all the search volume. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either take this information that I just provided you and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to hear more strategies and techniques that you could use to lead Google, then give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day.